Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and a big really big apology. एक तो मेरा आवाज बैठा हुआ है and you might have guessed it right. Yes, I am sick. I'm suffering from cold. सर्दी इतनी ज़्यादा है ये साइड, इतना ज़्यादा like Maharashtra is like freezing right now. I don't know why. So anyways, I'm back and एक तो apologies, big sorry to you guys. I am actually क्या बोलते हैं out of town plus तबीयत खराब हो गई and that is the sickest thing ever. So yeah, I went to Mumbai recently because मेरी दी की engagement है. I went to Mumbai and basic जो हमारा main aim was to get everything for engagement, so I didn't get to buy much of the things जो अपना random अपना haul करते हैं. So I did get accessories and all that, so I'm showing you guys that. So I finally got what I was looking for, Maybelline baby lips. So बहुत टाइम से I was waiting for this product. यार finally मैं जाऊँगी तो I'll get this product. So this was, I think I didn't open this up, so I can show you guys. So this is the Maybelline baby lips, SPF 20 है इसमें and it is instant 8-hour moisture and it is in shade, it is called antioxidant berry. So this is not tinted one, ये सादा अपना lip balm जैसा है, but it is actually the next generation. ऐसे लिखा है the next generation of lip balm is born from Maybelline New York. Adult strength care for soft baby lips. So that is it. So I did get the berry one and mango was like 2 mango-ish. So anyways, this is 125. I wanted to try a gel liner and so I got this one, Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner, and it says quick dry, intense color, last all day, smudge proof and waterproof. 24-hour, it guarantees you a 24-hour smudge proof and waterproof. So this is the packaging, and also the plus point is they give you a really good what do you call it, the brush. It is actually really good, soft, very soft bristles, and it is really good. So I didn't open it for you guys. So this is around 410. That कुछ 15% ऑफ है एंड आई थिंक 15th of this month, 15 Jan तक ही है, ऐसा कुछ ऑफर है. So if you guys are around and about, you must go check out the counter for Maybelline and Revlon and everything. So you get good stuff, really good stuff like Revlon का. Then I went for Revlon, and since शादी and all that का season है, if you're attending a marriage or if you are the bride, so the colors that are that is like where I'll wear or a bride can wear is Revlon का shade है. This is like a bronzy color sort of. So the shade is Caramel Crunch 325. Yeah, and this is Revlon color. So even Revlon is having a nice 15% off, and I went actually this color is actually on my nails right now, if you guys can see. Though it is not good, like it is not okay, like you can use this as a top coat to this one, so it can bling, it can make your fingers bling. This one is by Faces, so totally golden glitter है. Glitter होता ही है, you know how big fat Indian wedding can be, so glitter होता ही है. And this one is all that glitters, is shade 22, and this is by Faces. Faces I think Canadian brand, I guess, but Faces really good product. This is I think you guys should go check it out. Maybe they might be having discount, but as long as I can recall, Revlon and Maybelline did have discount. And moving on, I got these earrings, tiny earrings, these ones. the star ones. I'm obsessed with stars, I suppose. I got this one also, star one. And I got these like they are like small round shaped earrings. I got this in pink and I got this in blue also. Blue because this is the shade of my college uniform, blue. I got this from train, I suppose. The lady was selling for like 10 rupees ke har ek the. Yeah, other thing I got is just one kurta. That is all I got from Mumbai, and that too, that was not on sale, and I was like feeling so bad. But anyway, the kurta I was talking to you guys was I got this from West Side, which I already mentioned. West Side में ऐसा है कि West Side में they have क्या बोलते हैं, West Side is not only West Side but it has other brands also in it. Like Vero Moda का छोटा सा section होता है, वहाँ पे कैसा Bombay Paisley करके एक था. This thing. So I got this kurta from Bombay Paisley. ऐसा छोटा सा वहाँ पे काउंटर था. So this is the kurta I got, and yeah, that is how it is. This was pretty good stuff it was, and sorry यार, गला बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है. This was MRP was $7.99 and it's worth it. देखने के बाद, पहनने के बाद, it's 100% cotton and actually it's worth it. But the sad thing was I didn't get it on sale. Our sale, I think तब इस पे नहीं था probably, yeah. But I wanted a kurta for a long time and I got this one. Yes. And the other thing I got, well, actually, this was something my Dee got. I told her I wanted a wallet. So, she got this wallet from Baggett. If you guys can see, Baggett has a sign, see? Baggett. And this is how it looks like. She has a cute little buckle here. And यहाँ से zip है. So, this is how it is inside. Oopsie. This is how it is. Like, yeah, I have a lot of change and money, and side mein it has a lot of holders for card and everything, and idhar bhi hai card holders and everything. So yeah, and I have some money in this. This is actually my college ka wallet, so I have to carry money since my college is far away. And the last thing. This was she got this accidentally, my sis, but eventually I guess I'm going to use this. This is another thing she got from Baggett, and this is a sort of a chota sa tote bag. Oh, I really forgot. I forgot to show you guys. Sorry about that. Forgot to show you guys that I did this hairdo bun, messy bun sort of. I'll turn around for you guys so you guys can have a really good look for that. So this is how it is. I don't know, it look pretty decent. I don't know how it looks like from behind. Maybe I need to buy a mirror or something. So yeah, I made this bun like SE quickly something. So if you guys want me कि I should do a simple छोटा सा sweet सा video for you guys, do let me know if you want to see a bun. And also I am like really thankful to you guys. Like, you've supported me so far, so good. I've reached 50 plus subscribers and I'm really thankful, and I welcome to all my new subscribers. First one is Makeup Addict Pun, Senorita Pie, and Venus was the name, I suppose. Thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me, and all the other old subbies for supporting me so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you and every one of your positive comments. I would really love to hear from you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy and have a great time. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. See you guys. Bye. This is totally going to be out of my video. Blue peas. Good nice wallet, and I had a specific color. What is that, huh? सांस में तेरे सांस मिली तो तुझे सांस आए लॉल. Shit. Oh god. Oopsie.